welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make our all-natural, all-purpose cleaner with just a few ingredients. And I use this cleaner for almost everything in our house. Windows, kitchen, bathroom, tops and sides of furniture, pretty much anything you need to clean, this cleaner is going to do it. And it's super easy to make, so let me show you how. Everything you're going to need is right here, besides water. But you're going to need a spray bottle. I really like these amber spray bottles, and I'll link these in the description of the video. But you can use any spray bottle that you have or find. You'll need essential oils. I really love lemon and lavender for cleaning with because these are both natural disinfectants and they smell really fresh and great, and they're pretty safe for almost anybody and any pet. And I source our essential oils from a local place in Kansas City called Phoenix Herb Company. They're a great small business in town, and if you're in Kansas City, I encourage you to check them out. You can also order your essential oils offline in myriad places. So those, and then the last thing you'll need is all-purpose cleaning vinegar. We get ours at Home Depot. This is the brand that's sold at Home Depot, super cheap, but just like the essential oils, you can buy these in a lot of different places, probably your local grocery store, or order it online. And then if you want to label your bottle, I use these Sharpie paint pens. So there's that, and that's literally all you'll need. So what you're going to do first is take about 1/2 cup of vinegar, and this mixture isn't an exact science, so if you have a little bit bigger of a bottle, you can add a little bit more than 1/2 cup, or if you have a smaller bottle like this, you can add 1/2 cup. And I just kind of eye it out because I make this cleaner all the time, so I kind of know the level on the bottle that it's supposed to be. So do that, and then you're going to add your essential oils. For smaller bottles like these, probably about 20 drops, and for larger bottles, 30 to 50. And since I'm doing both scents, I'm going to add 1/2 and 1/2 of lavender and lemon. So just add those, and then you're just going to fill the rest of the bottle up with water. Let me do that real quick. Okay, and then you'll really want to shake this mixture before each use, just to make sure it's all mixed together in there and it's not just water or not just vinegar coming out. And then I'm going to take my paint pen and label this lemon and lavender. And you might want to put all-purpose or something like that, just so that you know what it is. The bottle was wet, so. Alright, and then you're done. That's it, guys. So it's super easy, like I showed you. And in future videos, I'll make some more deep cleaners that are all natural, but this should clean pretty much everything in your home. So have a great day and happy cleaning.